Hi to all. Patricia Allingham Carlson here, and I'm going to show you a watercolor basic. I've had a lot of people ask me over the years. I bought this nice block here. I've painted a painting. How do I get it off the block? In fact, some people don't realize that a block is made of a whole lot of pieces of watercolor paper that are all stuck together and bound around the edge. So you don't have to stretch it or tape it or do anything to have a nice flat painting when you're done. Easy to mat, easy to frame, all set to go. So it's on the paper. I've made every mistake that can be made in taking off a piece of paper from a block. So I'm going to share a couple tips. You find the opening usually at the top of the block. You insert a knife, little pen knife. It's a good studio tool to have. Put it between the piece of paper and the rest of the pieces of paper. Do not ever turn the knife toward yourself. The blade should always be facing slightly away from the block. If you cut with the blade facing toward you, you're going to cut right into the paper and destroy your beautiful painting that you just slaved over. So, face the blade slightly away from you. Never turn the blade toward yourself. Sometimes it wants to come up and you think, oh, I can just tear it right off. Don't do that, because it might stick at some point and then you're going to tear your paper again. Just keep it going with the blade turned slightly away from you. Nice and flat. And that's how you do it. See you next painting. I hope this taught you something about how to cut watercolor off a watercolor block. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. There's also some links below to click on so you can see my art page on Facebook, my blog about art and life, and some products I use to create art, and my own products page where I sell prints of my artwork along with many other items. Your comments are always welcome. And I'll see you next video.